So many of you guys might know, we've got this SC Project slip-on, probably one of the loudest slip-ons you can get for this 2024 ZX6R. Now, it's really loud and it sounds really good, but you know what I thought? I thought it just needs to be louder, dude. Like, obviously. So if we take a look at this one, you can see the factory mid muffler is still there. The catalytic converter is still on the headers. We're not gonna mess with this catalytic converter today. What we're gonna do is get rid of that mid muffler right there. So I thought maybe I could just go get that SC Project one and, you know, make it sound good, have all matching parts and stuff. So I'll go on our website, the Linkpipe, just the Linkpipe, to go from this slip-on to the header down here is $450. All it is a piece of pipe with a single bend and a bracket to, you know, hold it up under the bike. I said, that is freaking crazy. So, trusty old eBay right here. Got us an eBay Linkpipe. We're gonna see how much this thing is gonna do, if it's gonna sound good, if it's gonna leak, if it's even gonna fit on this thing. So this was $80. That's what we like to hear for a piece of pipe. So we're gonna record this stock here, see how it sounds, and then we're gonna put this bad unit on here and see if we can get some more sound out of her. Alright guys, that's what it sounds like with just the slip-on and that mid-muffler. So we're gonna let this thing cool down because I was just revving the crap out of it. And we're gonna get this nice eBay one put on here, the mid-pipe, and see how much better it sounds. So let's get into it. So guys, here's what we get in the kit. Sorry about the fan noise. A little Linkpipe here. Not too shabby looking weld right there on that bracket. Let's just hope it lines up and everything. It's definitely not titanium or any high grade anything. It's definitely just probably stainless. You get, looks like exhaust hanger brackets, but that's kind of where that nut looks like way too big for this bolt. But I guess we'll see if it fits. So, only thing I don't like is it doesn't have the bracket for that heat shield. I think it does look kind of good there with that, but I guess weight reduction. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing on here, guys. guys, we got the eBay Linkpipe on. You can see there, looks kind of wonky. I will say, it was kind of hard to get it to fit right. I didn't think it was going to fit at first, but it finally did. Somebody's ripping out there. Anyways, you can definitely tell it's not titanium. Does not match the metal of the slip-on. And honestly, it looks like tiny. Like the piping's just small, so small. And I really wish that I could put this heat shield back in place to kind of hide it a little bit. That'd be awesome. I wonder if there's a way I can, like, I don't know, get a hose clamp with something. Just find a way to put some kind of heat shield or something there, because it just looks bare and open. Like, just look at that. That's kind of wonky looking, but whatever. So we're gonna give it a start, see how it sounds now. Hopefully it doesn't leak like crazy, and we'll just compare them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the install part. Let's go ahead and get her cranked up. Alright, you guys heard it. It's quite a bit louder, but it does look kind of dumb. Not gonna say it looks good by any means. I think it looks goofy. I hate this big old open spot right here. It's just, it looks so weird. But I guess when you're like up here, it doesn't really matter. Like, it's not bad, I guess. But nonetheless, still sounds freaking loud. It sounds a lot better. It's got more of a tone to it, I feel like. So yeah, I mean, I guess if you guys want a Linkpipe to go with your $900 SC Project muffler, you can get one of these and sound pretty good. There were very, very, very minimal leaks when it was cold. Once it warmed up, kind of felt around it, revved it up. Really wasn't any leaks I could feel. But yeah, you just kind of gotta fiddle with it to get it to fit correctly, and you just gotta mount it up. I tightened the clamp up here first because that didn't want to stay very well, and then tighten up the clamp down there, and then I tightened that mount, and then the mount on the actual muffler up here. But overall, it actually did fit. I want to try to find some kind of heat shield to go on there, maybe, to make it look a little nicer. Or maybe once we get some heat in it, it'll change colors a little bit and look better. But right now, it just kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. It's just so silver, and it's got like a brushed look to it. Like, if you look at it, yeah, not a huge fan, but we're just here for the sound. And hopefully it holds up good. So thanks for watching, guys. More content coming soon. We got something over here. Oh, nope, can't show you guys that yet. You guys will see that very soon. But until then, thanks for watching.